Have you ever wondered how people are making extra money from home without big investments? The secret is small machines that most beginners don't even know exist. Some of them cost less than a new phone, yet they can turn into businesses that generate steady profits every month. In this video, we'll go through 20 affordable machines that can help you start earning from home. Watch till the end so you don't miss the most profitable one. And before we start, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Number 20. Automatic Socks Printer Machine. This smart printer creates custom 360 degrees designs on cotton or polyester socks. It's perfect for schools, sports teams, or personalized gift businesses. Producing 200 pairs a month and selling each for $10 could bring in $2,000. With a price tag of around $800, it's an affordable machine that one person can manage with ease. Number 19. Automatic Macaroni Pasta Machine. Fresh pasta businesses are booming, and this compact machine makes it simple to join in. It can produce spaghetti, macaroni, and other shapes quickly with minimal effort. Selling just 100 packs a month at $8, each could bring in $800 revenue. Priced at around $500, it's a cost-effective way to supply restaurants, local shops, or even start your own food brand. Number 18. Commercial Ice Cream Pop Machine. Who doesn't love frozen treats? This machine produces colorful popsicles and ice lollies that you can sell at events, local shops, or online. With 300 popsicles a month selling at $2 each, you could generate about $600. At just $389, it's one of the most affordable ways to start a fun, food-based business from home with year-round demand. Number 17. Automatic Barbed Wire Machine. This one is for people looking at industrial profits instead of food or crafts. The barbed wire machine produces durable fencing materials used in construction and agriculture. A single operator can manufacture hundreds of meters weekly, with monthly earnings ranging from $1,500 to $3,000. With a price between $1,000 and $2,000, it's a practical machine for those who want to tap into a steady demand market. Number 16. Portable Desktop 3D Printer. Small but powerful, this desktop 3D printer can create custom ceramic items like mugs, figurines, and home decor. It's easy to operate with a touch screen and perfect for creative businesses. Monthly earnings can range from $500 to $1,200, depending on demand. Priced at about $880, it's a smart way to turn creativity into steady income. Number 15. Shoe Upper Knitting Machine. Footwear is a global business, and this machine gives you a chance to enter it right from home. It knits shoe uppers and socks with high precision, allowing you to produce 500 pairs a month. Selling each pair at $8 to $12 could bring in $4,000 to $6,000. At $3,990, it's a higher investment but offers strong returns for those targeting fashion or sportswear markets. Number 14. Multifunctional Beverage Vending Machine. Beverages sell everywhere, and this machine makes it easy to cash in on that demand. With 19 grids, it can store and dispense juices, sodas, or energy drinks in busy locations. Selling 500 drinks monthly at $2, each could bring $1,000 revenue. Priced at around $2,300, it's a semi-passive business model that needs little daily management. Number 13. Belt and Tape Making Machine. Accessories are always in demand, and this machine can produce belts, elastic webbing, and tapes with consistent quality. Selling 200 pieces at $12 each could generate $2,400 in revenue monthly. At $3,300, it's a solid machine for serving local markets, online stores, and boutique clients looking for custom-made designs. Number 12. Computerized Single Head Embroidery Machine. Custom embroidery is popular for clothing, caps, bags, and home decor, and this machine makes it simple to start. It produces high-quality designs with precision, reducing errors and labor. Selling just 100 embroidered pieces a month at $15, each could generate $1,500 in revenue. At around $2,950, this is a professional quality setup perfect for anyone starting a personalized products business. Number 11. Plastic Bottle Making Machine. Packaging is a massive industry, and this machine lets you tap into it from home. It produces PET bottles used for drinks, cosmetics, or household products. A small setup can make 5,000 bottles monthly, selling at $0.50 each for about $2,500 in revenue. At $3,300, it's a practical way to supply local businesses and online stores. Number 10. Soap production machine. Handmade and specialty soaps are always in demand, and this machine allows you to produce them at scale. From laundry soap to custom scented bars, you could make 1,000 pieces a month. Selling each at $3 means $3,000 revenue. With prices ranging from $2,000 to $8,600 depending on size, this is a flexible way to enter a profitable market. Number 9. Chalk molding machine. Schools and art shops constantly need chalk, and this machine produces dustless sticks quickly. With an 800 mold system, you can easily make thousands per month. Selling 2,500 sticks at $0.50 each could generate $1,250. At just $549, it's a low-cost entry into a steady demand market. Number 8. Warm cookie vending machine. Imagine selling fresh cookies without needing staff. This machine keeps them warm and serves automatically in offices, schools, or malls. Selling 500 cookies monthly at $3 each means $1,500 in revenue. At $2,625, it's a smart way to start a snack business that runs almost on autopilot. Number 7. Laser cleaning machine. For those who want a service-based business, this machine removes rust, paint, and grime from metal, wood, or stone. With 50 to 100 projects per month at $50 each, revenue could reach $2,500 to $5,000. At $3,400, it's a professional tool perfect for workshops or home-based restoration services. Number 6. High-speed 3D printer MD400D. This professional-grade 3D printer is designed for speed and precision, producing custom phone cases, tools, and accessories in record time. With its dual extruder IDEX system, you can print multiple designs at once, saving time and labor. Printing 300 items monthly at $15 each could bring in $4,500 revenue. At $4,999, it's a serious investment, but an excellent choice for anyone looking to scale a home-based 3D printing business. Number 5. Automatic gummy bear depositor. Candy businesses are booming, and this machine makes it easy to join the trend. It produces gummy bears, hard lollipops, and other sweets quickly and consistently, perfect for supplying stores or events. Producing 5,000 candies a month and selling at $0.50 each could generate $2,500 in revenue. At $4,800, it's a fun and profitable way to start a confectionery business from home with high demand year-round. Number 4. Non-woven slipper production line. Hotels, spas, and events constantly need disposable slippers, and this machine can manufacture them at scale. It even supports custom logos, making it ideal for bulk orders. Producing 10,000 pairs monthly and selling each at $1 could earn $10,000 in revenue. Though priced at $26,500, it's a powerful machine for those ready to run a professional home-based or small factory business with consistent demand. Number 3. Spot laser welding machine. Jewelry repair and precision metalwork can be highly profitable, and this portable laser welder is perfect for both. It works on jewelry, electronics, and small metal parts with accuracy and speed. Handling 300 projects monthly at $20 each could bring in $6,000 in revenue. Priced at $4,500, it's an excellent option for jewelers, artisans, or small workshops looking to expand into high-value services. Number 2. Roll envelope making machine. Paper products are still in high demand, and this machine creates thousands of envelopes every month. It's ideal for stationery stores, offices, or businesses offering custom printed items. Producing 25,000 envelopes monthly and selling each for $0.12 could bring $3,000 in revenue. At $8,800, it's a professional-grade machine that provides steady profits for those who want to start a niche but in-demand business. Number 1. Automatic coffee sachet packing machine. Coffee is one of the most consumed products worldwide, and this machine lets you package it professionally. It fills and seals sachets quickly, making it perfect for selling drip coffee packs online or to local stores. Producing 10,000 sachets a month and selling each at $1.50 could generate $15,000 in revenue. At about $8,799, it's a high-return investment for anyone looking to enter the booming coffee business with consistent demand. These machines are making money quietly at home. Which would you try first? Comment, like, and subscribe.